The V-Sharp A4 sharpens both sides of the knife at once, using spring-loaded tension arms and your choice of 4 sharpening angles. Just rest the side of your blade against the central guide, lower it into the spring-tensioned arms, and pull back and down in a smooth slicing motion. Start with the diamond, then flip the hones to finish with the fine steel. From dull to razor sharp in just minutes, easy, repeatable, and precise. We offer additional abrasives in diamond, finishing steel, and ceramic. Plus, 5 color options to match your style. Looking for stability? The V-Sharp A4 Elite includes a solid wood base, freeing up a hand. Visit us at sharpeningsupplies.com. Call us with any questions, and thanks for watching.